Hey, it's your girl Tila of TilaHolcomb.com and creator of Trade Your 9 to 5, where I teach you how to trade your 9 to 5 in the stock market. If you're new to stocks or the stock market, you're probably wondering, how does the stock market thing even work? Well, in this video, I'm breaking down how the stock market works and how you can get into it. First, what exactly is the stock market? The stock market is a marketplace where stocks or companies are listed, and we as investors or traders, that's you and me, are allowed to buy pieces of ownership within those companies. All the stocks listed on the stock market are separated and measured by 3 indexes: the Dow, the NASDAQ, and the S&P. Now, I like to think of those 3 indexes like a country club. Just like a country club, there are certain requirements in order to be allowed in. Each of those 3 indexes have requirements for stocks and companies to meet in order to be listed on those 3 exchanges. Now, once they no longer meet those requirements for those exchanges, they have to be taken out, or they have to be what's called delisted from the exchange. One recent delisting that you may have heard of and may not have realized it was GE. They were listed under the Dow, and now they're no longer there because they don't meet the requirements of that index. Each stock on the stock market has a price that will fluctuate or change throughout the day as we buy and sell those stocks. Now, how are the prices for those stocks determined? Well, it's determined simply by supply and demand. So the more people that feel that the price is good on a stock and start buying it, it will drive the cost of that stock up. Then once the price gets to a level where most investors feel like, okay, this is kind of high and I want to lock in some profit because it probably won't go much higher than this, then they will start selling. That will then start to drive the stock price down. And then as the stock price gets driven down because of most of everyone selling the stock, then some investors will come in and they'll start to see that maybe the stock price is fairly low, it's on sale, it's a great deal at this price, and then investors will start buying again, which will start to drive the stock price back up, and the cycle continues. So what exactly happens when you buy or sell a stock? Well, whenever you go to buy or sell a stock, there's someone who works on the stock market floor that is called the market maker. And this person acts much like an auctioneer does in an auction. 20, 25, 30, 35, sold to the lady in the church hat. He probably isn't actually doing that these days since everything is pretty much electronic. So once you say, I want to buy, say, this stock at $5, it's looking for someone who's willing to sell it to you for $5. Then when you get ready to go and sell, it works the same way. You say, hey, I've got this item for sale, I've got this stock for sale at this price point, and they will look to find someone who's willing to buy it from you at that price. Now, if your price is out of range whenever you're going to buy or sell, then your buy or sell order will just kind of sit there until someone is willing to buy it from you. So you have to keep that in mind if you go to buy or sell and your price is either too high or too low, because no one is interested in either spending that much or selling it for that low. So then who exactly are you buying from or selling to? Well, because of the world being so digital as it is and how far technology has come, you could be buying or selling to anyone from across the country. You won't ever meet them, and that's okay, especially for us introverts. So you're ready to start trading and investing, but how do you get in on the action? For most people, the easiest way to get started is with their 401k or other employee-sponsored plan. If you don't have an employee-sponsored plan, or you want to get involved in the stock market outside of your employee-sponsored plan, then you can open a brokerage account at any of the online brokerage services to get started. Some examples of those are TD Ameritrade, Robinhood, and E-Trade. All right, so now that you know how the stock market works, there are some definitions that you'll want to know along the way as you start to trade or invest. So be sure to check out this playlist here. Then be sure to click on over and check out my 7-day free course for some pro tips to making money trading the stock market. Got a question about how the stock market works? Then leave me a comment below and I just might turn it into a video. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.